Guess what I just came home with? Little isopods. I'm gonna get them into their enclosure. Look at how cute they are. I was digging through the dirt and I found this really big one. Look at how cute. I'm so excited. Okay, I need to actually set them up now. I can't get over how cute they are. Look at them. So I put them in this cup to make sure they were all here because I got a pack of 10. And not only did I find 10, all of them were there, but I also found an 11th one, so that is awesome.